Hi kids! Today we are learning about amazing emergency vehicles. Ambulance!
Yay!
An ambulance quickly carries sick or injured people to the hospital. It rushes with flashing lights and loud sirens to save lives.
Fire engine!
Yay!
A fire engine carries firefighters and powerful water hoses. It helps put out big fires and keeps people safe.
Police car!
Yay!
A police car helps police officers protect people and stop crime. Its siren goes wee-woo while rushing through the streets.
Fire ladder truck!
Yay!
A ladder truck has a very long ladder to reach tall buildings. Firefighters climb up to rescue people and fight fires.
Police motorcycle!
Yay!
Police officers use motorcycles to move fast in busy traffic. They help catch rule breakers quickly.
Rescue helicopter!
Yay!
A rescue helicopter flies high to reach difficult places. It helps save people from mountains, oceans, and disasters.
Air ambulance helicopter!
Yay!
This helicopter carries patients quickly to hospitals. It can fly faster than road vehicles in emergencies.
SWAT armored truck!
Yay!
This strong truck protects special police teams during dangerous missions. Its thick armor keeps officers safe.
Search and rescue truck!
Yay!
Rescue teams use this truck to find people lost in forests or disasters. It carries special rescue tools and equipment.
Fire rescue boat!
Yay!
Fire rescue boats help firefighters fight fires on water. They can spray strong water from the river or sea.
Emergency response SUV!
Yay!
This fast SUV carries emergency teams and medical equipment. It reaches accident places quickly.
Coast Guard rescue boat!
Yay!
This boat saves people in trouble at sea. It helps during storms and ship accidents.
Paramedic rapid response car!
Paramedics use this car to reach emergencies very fast. They give first aid before the ambulance arrives.
Disaster response truck!
Yay!
This truck helps during earthquakes, floods, and storms. It brings food, tools, and rescue equipment.
Fire command vehicle!
Yay!
This special vehicle helps leaders manage big fire rescue operations. It is like a moving control center for firefighters.
Great job, little heroes!
Yay!
Now you know many emergency vehicles that help and protect people every day.